Get ready to unlock the secrets of the stock market and invest like a billionaire with Warren Buffett's latest show. With his unparalleled insights into the world of finance, he's revealing the best stocks to buy now, giving you the chance to make smart investment decisions and potentially boost your profits. So don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity to learn from the best and secure your financial future. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this exciting video, we will explore the 5 best stocks to buy now from Warren Buffett's shows. Warren Buffett, the legendary investor and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, is widely regarded as one of the most successful investors of all time. With a net worth of over $100 billion, he's built his fortune by investing in solid companies with strong growth potential. In his latest show, Buffett reveals the 5 best stocks to buy now, offering his unique insights into the stock market and helping investors make informed decisions. These stocks are carefully selected based on his tried and true investment principles, which have helped him consistently beat the market over the past several decades. By following his advice, investors have the potential to grow their wealth and achieve financial security. So, if you're looking for expert guidance on investing, look no further than Warren Buffett's latest show. 5. Apple Inc. stock. Apple Inc. is a multinational technology company that Warren Buffett's conglomerate, Berkshire Hathaway, has a 5% stake in, worth over $140 billion. Apple has been paying regular dividends to Berkshire Hathaway, averaging about $775 million annually. With this growing value, Apple has become Berkshire's third largest business after its insurance and railroad interests. In the past year alone, AAPL stock has risen by over 30%. On February 8, 2022, Apple announced its plan to introduce a new feature that would allow businesses to accept contactless payments through Tap to Pay on iPhone. The feature would empower millions of merchants across the United States, including small businesses and large retailers. Additionally, payment platforms and app developers can integrate Tap to Pay into their iOS apps. To provide the new feature to its users, Apple will collaborate with leading payment platforms and app developers across the industry. Overall, Apple continues to innovate and expand its offerings, while also delivering value to its stakeholders, such as Berkshire Hathaway. The introduction of Tap to Pay on iPhone is a testament to Apple's commitment to providing innovative solutions that make life easier for its users and support the growth of businesses. Did you all know this before? Stay connected, because there is still a lot to watch. 4. Bank of America Corporation. Bank of America is one of the world's leading financial institutions, providing a comprehensive range of banking, investment, and asset management services to individual consumers, small and medium-sized businesses, and large corporations. With approximately 67 million consumer and small business clients in the United States, Bank of America plays a crucial role in the country's financial system. In its recent fourth quarter and full-year financial report, Bank of America announced a record net income of $32 billion for the full year, which translates to a diluted earnings per share of $3.57. The company also reported revenue of $89.1 billion for the quarter. Additionally, Bank of America returned capital to shareholders, with $6.6 billion in dividends and $25.1 billion of common stock repurchased. Earlier in the same month, the company declared a regular quarterly cash dividend of $0.21 per share, reflecting its commitment to providing value to shareholders. 3. American Express Company. American Express is a leading global payments company that provides customers with integrated payment solutions, products, and experiences to enhance their lives and help them build better businesses. Berkshire Hathaway holds a 19.57% stake in AXP stock, valued at $24.8 billion, reflecting the company's strong financial performance. Recently, American Express launched its first all-digital consumer checking account, American Express Rewards Checking, MX Rewards Checking. This new offering is available to eligible U.S. consumer card members and offers a range of benefits, such as membership reward points for eligible debit card purchases, purchase protection for eligible purchases, and more. The launch of MX Rewards Checking is part of the company's ongoing effort to provide innovative payment solutions that meet the evolving needs of its customers. Overall, American Express continues to strengthen its position as a leading payments company by leveraging its integrated payments platform and delivering exceptional value to its stakeholders, including Berkshire Hathaway and its customers. How impressed are you by the above information? Let us know in the comment section. 2. Coca-Cola Company. Coca-Cola remains one of Berkshire Hathaway's top holdings, ranking 4th with 400 million units of KO stock at the end of 2021. The company's dividend payout of $0.44 per quarter and annual yield of 2.83% makes it a favorite among investors seeking top dividend stocks. Despite concerns about inflation, Coca-Cola continues to perform strongly on the financial front. In its latest quarterly earnings report, the company posted impressive figures, with earnings per share of $0.45 on revenue of $9.46 billion. This beat consensus Wall Street estimates of $0.41 and $8.96 billion, respectively. As a stalwart in the beverage industry, Coca-Cola naturally fits within Buffett's investment strategy. Its global reach and brand recognition contribute to its stability and longevity in the market. In addition to its traditional offerings, Coca-Cola has also been expanding its portfolio to include healthier options and sustainable initiatives. Overall, Coca-Cola's financial performance and strategic efforts position it as a reliable investment option for both short-term gains and long-term stability. Stay connected, maybe we are just jumping into an end. 1. Kraft Heinz Company. Kraft Heinz is a food industry giant and fifth on the list of Berkshire Hathaway's largest holdings. The company currently holds around 325.6 million shares of Kraft Heinz. With a net sales figure of approximately $26 billion throughout 2021, investors and consumers alike are familiar with its offerings. Kraft Heinz offers a quarterly dividend payout of $0.40 per share, resulting in an annual dividend yield of 4.1%. The company is adapting its operations to the current digital age with a focus on enhancing its marketing strategy. To achieve this goal, Kraft Heinz has partnered with Google's subsidiary, Alphabet. The multi-year strategic partnership aims to leverage Google Cloud's data and analytical technology to improve Kraft Heinz's marketing strategy. The company's efforts are well placed as adapting to the digital age has become a necessity for businesses. Moreover, the current market environment demands companies to stay competitive, and strategic partnerships can help achieve that. In addition to adapting to the digital age, Kraft Heinz has continued to deliver solid financial performance. Investors can expect a reliable dividend payout with a healthy yield, making it an attractive investment option. With Berkshire Hathaway's backing, Kraft Heinz is likely to continue its growth trajectory, and investors can look forward to future returns. This was all about today's video. See you soon in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, we would love to hear how much you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you can see more awesome videos like this in the future. Thank you.